Hi, I'm John Haynes.
And I'm Missy Hess.
And we're Haynes Huff Properties. And today we're on our way to Marysville.
So we stopped at this great fruit stand to pick up some farm fresh strawberries on our way up to the house to make some strawberry shortcake. Unfortunately, with our late summer in the Pacific Northwest, the strawberries aren't here. So we're gonna go get some delicious raspberries and make raspberry shortcake.
Man, bummer they didn't have strawberries.
I'm really excited though for a mixed berry cobbler.
There you go.
And I'm also really happy we filled the family fruit bowl.
How exciting.
Yes, another chore done. This house has a Marysville address, but it is in the Lake Stevens School District.
Well, it's cool how it's kind of wedged right between Lake Stevens and Marysville, two civic amenities. And you know how I love Marysville because of Cabela's and Jeff's Texas Barbecue.
Yeah, I know how much you love Jeff's Texas Barbecue.
But it's great too because you can go fishing at Lake Stevens and that's just a hop, skip, and a jump away.
Yeah, perfect location.
So if you're looking for a home surrounded by civic amenities,
Or any home in the Puget Sound area, give us a call.
have a bite now?
Yes.